Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing the Allure beauty box for the month of September. So here it is, and then when you open it up you'll get this one. So it has all of your add-ons and like all the products that are featured in the box, the prices, where to buy them, and sometimes they have the promo code associated with this. If you go on their actual website and you put in the code, you get like so much like percentage off. So yeah. And then so they also have this promotion, so $10 off your next order for your you basically buy anything from their member store. So yeah, and then it has a $10 credit on the back if you're like a member. So yeah, and then we open it up. And this is what it looks like. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So the first thing that's in my box is the Body by Tree Hut, the Tree Body Serum Mist. I never heard of this product before, so this is going to be very interesting to try. And it's 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. So yeah, it has a dual phase. It boosts skin barrier, brightens, and hydrates. So it has squalene, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, omits concerns of weak skin barrier, skin elasticity, dry and dull skin, and you can use it for use it morning and night, or any time as your heart desires. This is vegan, cruelty free, and basically you have to shake this up and then spray it. But this is what it looks like. I forgot to show you, so smells pretty good in my opinion. So this costs $26 for 236 milliliters, and there's 100 milliliters in this, so this is not full size. So yeah. So the next one is Eva NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo, light and fresh with rice starch. This is 10 ounces, 28 grams, or 35 milliliters. This is what it looks like. I never tried dry shampoo before. I never used it. So I guess you just shake it up and you apply it to your roots or something like that. Oh, this is certified cruelty-free and vegan, responsibly sourced ingredients. So yeah, I don't know if I showed you. This is what it looks like. So this cost $15 for 189 milliliters, and there's 35 milliliters in the in this can, whatever. Yeah. So the next product in my box is Blossom Essentials Hydration Repair Honey Lip Balm. So this is gonna be pretty interesting to try. I do like lip balms, I like lip oils. I'm trying to open this really miserably. Okay. It's like kind of hard to get out sometimes. So, does it have a shade on it? No. It's kind of cute. It's 0.14 ounces or 4 milliliters. It's really small. Oh. So that's what it looks like when you take it out. I'm not gonna take it out of the thing. So, this cost $12 for 4 milliliters, and this is full size. So, yeah. The next one in my box is the Ultra Repair Cream, the Intense Hydration with Colloidal Oatmeal. This is what it looks like. I have tried First Aid Beauty, like a couple of their products, so I kind of like their products overall. It's like some of the products I still use. But yeah, so this is what it looks, this is what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure this is full size. This is 226 grams or 8 ounces. So that's definitely full size. Yep, and this costs $48. Would I pay $48 for this? I don't know. Most likely not. But yeah. It depends on how this will last me. So, like, if I had to pay $48 for this, it would have to at least last me maybe 6 months or for a pretty much a long time until I have to get another one. So yeah. So the next one in my box is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Sitter. I do use their mascara, their real one, but I never tried any of the brow products before, so, oh, whoops, this is what it looks like. And, oh, this is invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. So basically it's clear. So, oops, let me show you. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty cute. I like it. Like the design of it. It's pretty cute. And then when you open it up, and that's what it looks like. Look, all those bristles. I'm trying to, well, be pretty interesting to actually try this. I will give you my thoughts and my opinions on these products. So yeah, so this cost $28, and this is full size. So there's 7 milliliters or 0.23 ounces. So yeah. The next one is basically a choice product. So you can get it in like a couple shades. So basically you can get a frosted pink, sunset kiss, or apricot sherbet. I got mine in frosted pink. So this is the Rhodial blush drops. I have heard of them before. So basically, their vitamin C enzyme papaya scrub I'm currently using. So I don't know if I can tell the difference in like my skin with that product. I use it like maybe once a week or so, but yeah, this is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. But this is what the box looks like, and this is what this looks like. It's pretty cute, tiny but cute. So it is 15 milliliters or 0.5 ounces. What does this? Oh, so that's what it looks like. Good thing I didn't spill this everywhere, like I did for the couple products. Oops. So this cost $55 for 15 ml. Yeah, 55 bucks. I will let you know what I think of this. So yeah, I have a couple trips coming up that I'll be going to Europe, so stay tuned for that. So of course they have the Factor gift coupon code for, yeah, they had given you one of these, so I guess it's like now it's in like in every box. But yeah, so I will be traveling to Europe, well, a couple times, so stay tuned for those videos of my experience with traveling to Europe and what I pack. So stay tuned for those videos, and thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these products. If you got the Allure beauty box for September, let me know, and please give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.